So this is the social e-recruiter site which was developed for Corathon, and here we have the list of jobs. So once we click on any one of the job, that post opens, and we have a description here which says Lotus Notes experience with 2 years. When you click the Twitter tweet button, this will be in a form where you can tweet directly over here. So when you tweet this, you will be able to see that on the Twitter. So this is how tweeting works here. So now if you go to the job seekers data, there are sources from the internal database which is already there, and you can also get those sources from the LinkedIn. Here you have an approve or reject button at the starting. Once you find that candidate is suitable, you click the approve button, so it will come in the shortlisted data. Or if someone below the level seems he is approved, and finally he finds he seems not suitable for the job, he can reject. That is why the reject button is here. So, and from sources from LinkedIn, you click on the second link. It will ask you to sign in with your LinkedIn ID. And once you sign in, you will get the details of the resources with the keyword Lotus Notes. So, this is what we are going to see in the demo, and there will be an approve or cancel button which will be put there. When you say approve, this will come to the shortlisted data, and then you can schedule interview. So in the available jobs, if you say you need to post to website, then it will come in the company website. This will be listed over here. So